What's up, honeys, and welcome back to the channel. So we got a package in the mail today. So I'll leave a link for everything in the description, but I got the front LEDs, the rear LEDs. Gotta take the cover off. It's actually pretty nice today. It's been raining, so we had the cover over the bike. We're gonna go ahead and start putting the lights on. Let's go. All you're gonna need for this is just a flathead. I'm just using this little mini one, and you're just gonna pop it in, pop all the caps off, and I'll just be putting these off to the side because I'm gonna be using the smoked ones. I'm not sure if you can buy them individually from Rogue Riders, but I can only assume that you can. They were only $5 for the pair if you add them on to your purchase of the LED lights, so I think that's a pretty good deal. I'm not sure if you can get them for $5 or not on there. You'll just have to check it out, and I'll put the links for these in the description if you're interested. Super simple. These just pop right off. It was really easy. So I got the black edition, and these ones, the backing of the LED is all black, and the other edition, I think that backing is silver. I think these ones were an extra like $4 or something, so it wasn't like a huge thing. And these are the rear, and I think they just pop in and you twist them. Like these. So rear ones are in and the smoke lenses are in. So like I said, the backing of this LED is black. I just think that looked better for my bike since pretty much everything is kind of black. I feel like that the black label was worth it, the extra like $4, maybe $5. And I think that black looks fitting for the bikes. So again, here's the front turn signals, and like I said, I got the black edition, and I also got the smoke lenses again for these, and they came with some pretty badass stickers. Alright guys, front ones are on. It's looking good, everything's blacked out. Amber LED. Short video for today, but got the job done. We still got more to look forward to coming up with this thing. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, let me know what you guys are doing to your bikes, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.